battle machine.
Made me sneeze. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Oh, nice. Do you have a side port or a rear front?
Driver's side port over here.
Okay. Nice. Is there a way I can see the... Oh, okay. Sorry.
No problem.
So did you ever try doing box rotations at all?
No, I just built this about a week ago.
Okay. What made you do side port instead of back port or anything like that?
The way it was gonna fit.
Yeah. Okay.
I didn't have enough room really to mount myself this way. That and they're 70 pounds a piece, I really didn't want to.
Yeah.
I didn't have much room to put the port down here, so I was like, you know what?
All right.
Fire and see how it goes.
Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, man. I'd love to hear it. So could you tell me the equipment in here?
Yeah, it's 2 Resilient Sounds Platinum 18s and 2 DB Drive A7 2500s.
Okay. Nice. And do you know your tuning and the size of the box?
This box is 4.5 cubes per, tuned to about 35 hertz.
And your electrical, like your alternator battery?
No alt, running stock pretty much, but I got 3 AGMs.
Okay. They were behind the box, I'm guessing, or underneath? Underneath, okay. And you've got your back seats and everything hidden, so you don't, everything looks clean and sounds good.
Yeah, the battery's up under the spare tire well.
Okay. Oh, okay. Do you still have a spare tire?
Nope.
No spare tire. Okay. I've seen some put it in the back seat, but it just looks weird. What was your name?
Jonathon.
Jonathon. Awesome. Anything play a little lower?
I'm not sure what's all on this USB. I'm taking guesses.
It's okay.
Too.
It's all right, man. Sorry. Bass will make you sneeze. Thank you. What frequency response was that? Wow. Couldn't tell you. It just hit really hard. Yeah, that nice. Awesome. Thank you for showing me a good wide range of your system. I like it, man. Nice job. And you've got your back seats and everything hidden, so you don't. Everything looks clean and sounds good.
Yeah, the battery's up under the spare tire well.
Okay. Oh, okay. Do you still have a spare tire?
Nope.
No spare tire. Okay. I've seen some put it in the back seat, but it just looks weird. Thank you for the demo. What was your name?
Jonathan.
Jonathan. Awesome. Appreciate it, Jonathan.
No problem.